Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do organic green tea moisturizing cream. Green tea have a lot of benefits to our health and to our skin. I post a few on the screen. You can Google it for some more. I want to welcome our new subscribers. I want to say thank you. Welcome to the family. And to all our subscribers, thank you for your continued support. Please don't forget to share the video, subscribe. If you want to see how to make your own organic green tea moisturizing cream, keep on watching. I'm going to use these two super oil, coconut and olive oil. I love to mix those two together. And I've already melted coconut oil to get us going. And of course, we're going to need green tea also. And we're going to need beeswax also. And I tried to measure, you guys can see, but I use 0.06 of beeswax. And we're going to need a vitamin E oil. You can use the liquid or you can use capsule. I use two of those. And we're going to need a container to mix our ingredients. And I'm going to add olive oil together with my coconut oil. I use more coconut oil than olive oil, but I use 1 cup of oil combined together. And I'm going to warm it a little bit before I put the green tea inside of it. And I've already boiled the water just like that. And I'm going to lower this stove to make it, because you don't want to make it too hot or let it take away the benefits of the oil. And I'm just going to stir it just like so. And after that, I'm going to take it out. When you take anything out from the hot stove, please make sure that it's not too hot. Don't boil your hands. I'm going to use 4 green tea. I've already opened 3. I'm just going to show us how I did it. Just the 4th one. The 4 green tea equal to 2 tablespoons. Not teaspoon, but tablespoon. And I'm going to put it like that, and I'm going to mix it gently. I'm going to let it sit for about an hour. And I'm going to melt the beeswax also. This is very hard. And when you do beeswax, it just go hard, just like that. And after that, I'm going to take it out also. Be careful when you melted something. And I'm going to drain the oil from the from the green tea. This is after a 1 hour. I let it sit so we can get all the benefit. And then the next step, I'm going to apply. You see, this is the beeswax. So I have to really put it back in warm water to melt it together. So afterward, I just mix everything, and then we're going to apply the vitamin E. So if you're going to use the pill, you just need like something sharp to poke it and just drop it in there. And after that, this is optional. You don't have to do it. You can use any essential oil of your choice. I'm using lavender. Lavender is very soothing, calming. And I put it in the freezer for about an hour. And this is it right here. The next step, I'm going to whip it. Whip. So because we want that fluffy, buttery texture. And then after that, I'm just going to put it in a jar. Just like that, you can use any jar of your choice. Voila. This is our green tea right here. Yummy. And just apply twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. I want to say thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video. May the Lord Jesus Christ continue to bless you and your family. Mwah.